So hello everyone, in this video we'll be understanding about this component.typescript file. In this we'll be understanding what is event binding. So basically event binding is kind of a way in which we can call our functions or the methods which we'll be creating in this class, and we can call that in our component template file, which is this one. So let's understand how we can actually call a method from this TypeScript file into this template.html file or template file basically. So for that, let me just first remove this nav now, and I can simply show you the demonstration in this app component.html itself. I'll not be creating a separate component for that. So let's say I want to create a button, and on the click of the button I want to do something. So basically I can write something, let's say hello, or let's say click me, right? And for this template.html file or template file, we have this component.typescript file. In this basically you can see we have this title property by itself. Similarly, I can create separate properties just like we do in normal class or normal JavaScript class. I can create a separate class as well, or separate property as well that I want to show. But for now I'll be creating a method. So let me just create a method. Let's say put message or something like that. And in here let me just add a simple console log to show you how it works. Let's say it works. So what I want to do is, on a click of a button, I just want to show this it works console log in the browser. I can do any kind of thing in this function, but for now, for the testing purpose, I'll be just writing this block of code. So how can I access that method here in this template file? So basically for that we use event binding. Event binding allows us to add any kind of event or assign any kind of event here. You might have seen there are several events in JavaScript as well, just like on change, on click, something like that. Similarly, we have events in Angular as well. The event that I want to trigger is this one, the click event, because I want to get that console log on a click of this button. So I can use click event here, and I can call the function directly or the method directly without any kind of information. Like let's say, because both these files are already linked together, so for calling that method I can just simply write the method name, which was put message. So if I just go to the browser now, and if I just open my console, I can see nothing is here. But if I click on this click me button, so you can see we have this log, it works. So this is basically how it works. So we can simply assign any kind of event or any kind of event we can bind to the button, or any kind of element that we want to assign. Similarly, we have change events, we have hover event, we have different kinds of event. We can use that. So this was event binding. I hope you got something, and similarly we'll be discussing about property binding in the next video. Thank you for watching.